you've already watched the video on finding the volume of a rectangular prism, you'll be familiar with this shape. It's the same 8 by 1 by 3 rectangular prism made out of blue and green snap cubes that we looked at in the volume video. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the surface area of this shape. The surface area can be thought of as the sum of the surfaces of a three-dimensional figure. The rectangular prism has 6 surfaces: a front, a back, a top, a bottom, a right, and a left. We'll find each of those individually and add those together to give us our total surface area. We'll start with the right side. Here's a look directly at the right. What we notice is we have an 8 by 3 rectangle. Each one of those squares will represent 1 square unit. So when we look at the total rectangle, 8 times 3 gives us 24 square units for the entire right side. That also will be the same area as the left side. So we've already found 2 of them. Let's move on to the front. Here we have a 1 by 3 rectangle for a total area of 3 square units, which is the same as the back. So we only have 2 left to do, the top and the bottom. Let's look at the top. Directly from above, we see a 1 by 8 rectangle. That has an area of 8 square units, same as the bottom. So when we add it all together, we get the right, which was 24 square units, same as the left. Top and the bottom were both 8 square units. The front and the back were each 3 square units. When we add them all together, we get a total surface area of 70 square units for that rectangular prism. Alright, let's try another one. This one is a 2 by 6 by 1 rectangular prism. The right side has an area of 6, same as the left. The top has an area of 12. 2 times 6 gives us that measurement, which will be the same as the bottom. The front is 1 by 2, which gives us an area of 2 square units, same as the back. So when we add it all together, 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2 gives us a total surface area of 40 square units. Alright, let's try one more. If you want, at this point in the video, you could hit pause, take a second, write out what you think the measurements are, add them all together, and see what you get for a total surface area. Go ahead and hit pause, and then hit play once you're ready for the final answer. Alright, you ready to see if you were right? The surface area of that 8 by 3 by 3 rectangular prism was 114 square units. If you need to, rewind, take it back to the beginning, and find where your mistake was. Make sure that you get all 6 surfaces when you're trying to find the total surface area of these rectangular prisms.